Hi everyone, there's something I wanted to share with you today, something that I've been waiting for a long time. It's an update to my 991.2 Porsche Carrera T, a car that I absolutely love. As you can see, it is sitting here without its wheel because I'm in the process of installing new wheels, and I figured I want to share that experience with you. I was going to do one side and then sort of reveal it to you, but I wanted to share the excitement, that first reaction of what the wheels are going to look like on the car when I first install them, so that way you get the real me. I've been running black wheels for a long time. Then I also purchased myself Apex wheels, silver, fully forged, very, very lightweight. And then I also purchased myself a set of OEM Carrera wheels painted in silver, on which I installed all-season tires with the idea of running that setup in the fall and throughout the winter. The more I started playing with this sort of wheel and tire setup, the more I realized two things. One, the design of those wheels is pretty much similar. And two, it's such a pain in the neck to clean them. Just to clean these wheels, you've got to get into this crevice, this nook, this nook, this nook, here. I mean, if you're a busy person, it takes a while. So for my next set of wheels, I wanted to get something that is easy to clean, combines silver, which I love, but also black, which I also love, and something that is sort of OEM plus, which is why I purchased... Wait, no, before I show you, I'm walking by them right now. Let me show you the Apex wheels that are sitting here. I removed the tires from them. 20 pounds for the front and 21 pounds for the back. Okay, but now that I've talked your ear off, it's time for me to reveal the wheels. But before no, I'm just kidding. These are the wheels. Check this out. These are my new wheels for the 911. And these are the 50th anniversary wheels that have been custom made with a custom offset to match the Apex. They are still the same width as the OEM wheels, and so just as the Apex wheels. They're a little heavier than the Apex wheels because obviously they have a lot more meat in them. They are fully forged, but are still a little heavier. 27 for the front and then 29 pounds for the back. It's still lighter than the OEM Carrera wheels, and I'm doing this purely for the looks. These are not performance wheels. I wanted them to look good, and I wanted them to be easy to clean. Speaking of easy to clean, as you can see, they are nice and shiny because I ceramic coated them. I have this great product. I'm actually going to link it for you in the description. You just put a couple of drops on the towel, apply it on the wheel, and it's super, super simple. You just let it cure for 24 hours. But why don't we now roll this wheel onto the car? Check this out. This is what it looks like when it rolls. Whoa! Hey, don't hit the car. They're brand new, so I want to make sure I don't scratch them. So let me install some wheel hangers made by Keys. Please don't screw it up on video. Oh. So the company also sends you these lugs, which have these purple colors. If they're designed for these wheels, might as well use them. You know what? We're gonna do a side-by-side comparison. Let me drop the car. Wow! Oh my gosh! All right, you have to enjoy it. Check this out. This is it. This is what these wheels look like versus the black wheels. And I hope the camera is not blinded by the sun that's here. There we go. Maybe something like this. When we do the other side, we'll do the same comparison. But check this out. What a cool look. They instantly look bigger. They instantly look premium. And they instantly show off the caliper a little better. All right, let's do the front. Out with the old. And in with the new. Oh, wow, these are so much lighter. Are you ready for this? Well, check this out. This is what they look like in the shade. We're gonna do the other side. I'll do it super fast with the snap of my fingers. But you can see in the shade, at least this is what they look like. Oh my gosh. This is such perfection. Let's do the other side so we can see him properly in the sun. I moved the car for better lighting, but for you, you're gonna see it with the power of editing. All right, let's see the front wheel first this time. My gosh, this is unreal. What I like about these wheels versus the all black ones is you still have the blackness here, so the dirt will not be as visible. Yes, there's still going to be brake dust, but it's not going to be as visible on black wheels versus the silver wheels, silver barrels. But these silver wheels, the face of it is flat, so I'll be able to easily just wipe it whenever I wanted to, just to kind of refresh the cleanliness of it between me washing the car. Okay, but it's time to do the back wheel. This is before, and this is what it looks like now. If your jaw dropped to your chest, don't blame yourself. The same thing happened to me when I first looked at it from far away. What an amazing look. Let's just look at it and admire it, because it's just terrific. Let's get a close-up of one of the wheels so you can help me decide which center caps to go with. Because we have 3 to choose from. One, the company sends you a set of these gloss black, or there's still foil over them, but these are the gloss black center caps that don't necessarily match with the sort of matte finish of the wheels, but you have that sort of uniform silver finish. We can also go with, kind of crazy, a silver cap. What do you think? To me, this kind of makes it look like a teddy bear with 5 arms. I guess this is the belly, this is the head, or maybe a jumping jack. So I would say no to this. I think we will stick with my black center caps with gold emblems. What do you think? I think this ties it nicely. It's sort of nice and classy. Look, it's still black, but sort of this gold logo matches with the yellow of the car. Let's zoom it out to see if we're right. Yeah. I did not forget to torque the wheels. I'm gonna do it before I go for a drive. Also, if you haven't realized, I swapped the tires that I had on my Apex wheels onto these. They have about maybe 5,000 miles on them, so they're pretty new. They're 2 or 3 years old, so I should have plenty of life left. Jackie over at King's Auto did the swap for me. If you're in northern New Jersey, I highly recommend King's Automotive. What a fantastic shop. They also have a road force balancer, and they said that these wheels balanced perfectly with just a few weights here and there. So they are made very, very well. Now, speaking of being made, I'm going to link in the description the contact for the vendor, or the link where you can buy these, because I took a chance and I was blown away. Yes, it took about maybe 2 months for me to get the wheels because I chose the cheapest shipping option. But if you want to get them faster, obviously you can pay a little more. In terms of quality, I mean, you saw, check this out. Fit and finish is absolutely amazing. One small thing, maybe they could have been painted a little deeper. You see, you can kind of see the paint here. But if you have longer lugs, that should not be a problem. But anyways, check out this fit and finish. Look at this offset. I had them make me a set of wheels that mimics exactly a set of Apex wheels. I think Apex does a great job with matching the offsets, and this is what they did. So this is the poke in the back, and this is the poke with maxed out camber in the front. I maxed it out before my track days, so this is what it looks like. It tucks in nicely. If I were to move the camber to OEM, it would be sort of more flushed with the body of the car, but I don't think we want that. This is nice and pretty. Obviously, I say it every time I make a video, but it's absolutely important. If you don't have TLG guards, get yourself a set, because you've got a more aggressive offset. There's a chance you get some rock chips sprayed onto the quarter panel right there, and they'll be damaged. So get yourself one of these. I'm gonna also link them down in the description of this video. But let's enjoy these wheels, and I'm so happy with how this came out. For the most part, on the outside, we are pretty much done with this car. I did the side skirts not too long ago, and so yeah, what else do you need? Anyways, I am curious to hear what you have to say about this new wheel setup. Do you also love it as much as I do? Would you have gone with a different center cap combination? Let me know in the comments below. Let's talk about it. And I wanted to thank you very much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.